Welcome to Ozzy's Home Cooking. Today I'd like to share a practical and easy to make Phyllo pie recipe with you. It's super delicious. Crispy on the outside and full of cheese and ham inside. Let's get started. For the filling, I have a pack, 120 grams of ham, but you can use turkey or chicken slices if you prefer. After I slice them all, I make sure the pieces don't stick together. We also need 250 grams of grated cheddar cheese. I add 200 milliliters, a bit less than a cup, of milk into a bowl. Then I add half a cup of vegetable or sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. I then whisk everything together. We grease a casserole or any baking dish to prevent sticking. I use a paper towel to spread the oil evenly. We'll use 1 pack, about 200 grams of Philo pastry sheets for the pie. Mine has 10 medium sheets. I placed one of them at the bottom and add 2 more sheets, letting them hang over the sides. I pour a bit of the sauce we made earlier and spread it around evenly. Then I add 2 more sheets, again letting them hang over the sides. A little more sauce. We put nearly half of our cheese in the dish, followed by about half of our ham. A little more sauce. Another layer of Phyllo sheet, more sauce. Always make sure the sauce is evenly spread. Add more cheese and ham. And another layer goes on top. Now we add the last bit of cheese and ham, but in this step we crumble one of the Phyllo sheets, like pieces of paper, and add it in for extra texture. More sauce. The layers don't really have to be perfect or exactly the same as mine. After we make another layer, we take the overhanging sides in and put our last Phyllo sheet on top to cover everything. Pour the rest of the sauce on top and spread it evenly all around. At this step, I use a spatula to make sure all the edges of the Phyllo pie are neat and tight. Our Phyllo pie is nearly ready to go into the oven. It goes into a preheated fan oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Here, our Phyllo pie is ready. With these ingredients, you will have 8 good slices. Let's serve it up. This is a must-try recipe. It's simple and so delicious. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and let me know when you've tried it. See you next time!